Alright, started this. It is Monday, July 21, okay, 12:41, and you're looking at the back side of a Panasonic RX-5051, right? No, 5150, whatever. Anyway, but I'm about to change the motor, but I wanted to show you that I've already taken my VOM and I put it across the motor to know which one is plus and minus. And so now with the motor that I'm going to replace with, which is this right here, to know which polarity and rotation and speed and everything like that, if you ever bought one of these USB little things with a motor and a propeller and just anyway. But I found the propeller fits on the end of this shaft, which is about 2 millimeters. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to simply hold the wires up against the running thing and observe the rotation. Now this is already rotating counterclockwise, alright? That's a key point because this is a counterclockwise motor as well. So I want to make sure I get the polarity correctly. So I'll just take this and put this here, right? There we go. See how that works? Alright, so it's going in the right direction. So it's the red wire is the positive, because on this end here the white wire is the positive. I know you can't see that, but so now I know. I've already written down what I need to know. So there's that. Just a quick little thing of how I determine what's working on this, right? So let me take this off the tripod, right? And just give you an overview. See how it's better. So here we are, just a little, and I got all three belts in there running. Okay, so just a quick little something just to show you that. This is, where is it? Here it is. Okay. Oh golly, this is this one. Yeah, somebody painted the grills blue. Alright, so thanks for watching. Good day, bye-bye.